Today I wanted to try a quick natural hair hack. It is a high perky puff. I was inspired by Natural to do this. You know, like, let me show you right quick. Okay, so you know how when you put your hair in a puff, let's just do it right quick, okay? Look at my ratchet little puff thing. When I put my hair in a puff, so when I put my hair in a puff, for example, see how it's like all flabby and stuff like that? Okay, it's gonna be sitting like that because the longer my hair got, my puffs just be looking kind of sad, you know? When I tie them up like this, it looks like a flat mushroom. Okay, does that make sense? But yeah, anyway, all right. So we're gonna try this hack and see how natural, now I've seen Natural do it. I haven't seen other people do it, but we're gonna give it a go, okay? So let's take this and go ahead and tie it around my hair. Just put it in a regular puff as I usually would do. And I'm tying mine up in the back. So I have my hair in a little puff. See how it looks all flat? Okay. So I have that done. Just tie it up. Then I'm gonna get this hairband and put it around my hair while it's tied up like this. So I'm going to take all that hair that's in the band you see I got it all. I'm going to take this band and put it around here. I'm gonna do it like that. Okay, I look crazy right now. I look a little cray-cray, but you're just gonna, after you put the band around, the second band around, you're gonna just start pulling from the back and we're gonna shape it up. See how I'm pulling? Just gonna pull all around. I'm sorry, I hope you can see that. And see how it stands up now versus being like real flabby. And if your hair is a little bit longer than mine, you may have to pin it up in the back and stuff. I didn't have to do any pinning. Well, I may need to do a little pinning right here just to cover up that band because I do see a piece of that band on this side. I can see that right there. I can see it just a little bit. Okay, we are done. Get a little moisturizer. You can just play around with it and pull out and pull back in as needed. See how I'm pulling back in a little bit? Well, the main thing that I'm trying to show you is just how you can just give it that perky look and you can shape it how you want it as needed, but this is it. Excuse my edges, but you get the point. I just wanted to show you this little hack. I love this hack and I will be using it. So if you've tried this hack, let me know. Let me know how you liked it. If you want to try it, please definitely give it a try and come back and let me know how you liked it. And if you want to see more like this, if you like hacks, please hit the subscribe button. Please like it if you liked this hack. And I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.